guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 1936 Ford Woody custom wagon. But first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Today's video is sponsored by Land Air Sea. Keep tabs on all your valuable assets from the palm of your hand. Remember, with Land Air Sea, theft is temporary. Visit landairSea.com to order your Land Air Sea GPS unit for your classic vehicle.
Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at a 1936 Ford Woody wagon. And it's not so much an actual Ford Woody as far as we know. It's actually a 1936 Ford running gear that has a full custom wood body put over top. So pretty much anything that could be made out of wood is made out of wood on this thing. So just looking at the exterior, we can see we've got a wood bumper. We actually have real headlights inside with a wood housing, of course, a wood hood scoop, and then underneath all of this is a Ford flathead V8. So there's a couple different things going on here. Obviously there does need to be some structural pieces in there. So when we take a look at the wheels, we do have some steel wheels here, but over top we do have a wood center cap. So that's quite a pretty unique piece there. And of course a little bit of wheel shine and tire shine on there as well. So let's start making our way around the vehicle. So there's a lot of really nice bespoke pieces on here, including things that you would be surprised by in wood hinges that actually open up at the top here. So we have a flathead V8, like I mentioned earlier. We don't know quite the horsepower output, but it would be required because this would weigh quite a lot. So you can see we have some wood fenders over here as well. A couple different styles in terms of what wood equipment would have been used on here. One could only imagine the sheer amount of time it would have taken to design something like this. There's a lot of custom pieces and everything fits really nicely in terms of what finish is on here. This is all oak wood, and it looks really similar to what you'd find in sort of your typical oak cabinets, for example. So on the interior here, we have an open cabin. We have a lot of your standard stuff, the wood steering wheel that has some metal inserts, even the wood shift gauges. The window can be opened out. All of the mechanisms in this, again, all wood. Obviously the gauges are not. We have a panel enclosure which looks even more like oak cabinetry. Then as we come to the back here, we actually have a little bit of a storage space. It's not the most practical vehicle, and you'll notice there's actually no windows back here, so it's a little interesting at how much the drivability is for this particular vehicle. But that's something I just really wanted to share with you guys. Not something that you see every day, a literal Ford Woody, not just wood paneling. So pretty interesting vehicle. Now, if you're interested in purchasing your own collector vehicle just like this one here, be sure to check out ClassicCars.com, our online marketplace, and AutoHunter.com, which is our online auction that has cars going live every single weekday. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and hit that like button for us. We'd really appreciate it. And get subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.